What's the meaning of assisted living? Assisted living. Assisted living.
Assisted living. Assisted living. Assisted living is a type of housing option for seniors or individuals with disabilities who require assistance with daily activities. This includes services such as medication management, meal preparation, and personal care. Residents typically live in private apartments or units and have access to communal areas for activities and socialization. The goal of assisted living is to provide a safe and supportive environment that promotes independence and quality of life. With the assistance provided, residents are able to maintain their dignity while receiving the help they need to live comfortably.